I have an 18-kilometer round-trip commute every day. From home to my daughter's school to drop her off, and then on to my office. And back again at the end of the day. This is my car, a 1994 Volvo 945 station wagon. It weighs 1.4 tons. I start it cold every morning, drive the 9 kilometers, then start it cold again at the end of the day and drive it back. Maybe not the most environmentally sustainable way to commute.
Hello. Hey, bro.
So I thought I'd try something else. I've challenged myself to bike to work every day for 1 year. Är det vinterdäck eller är det däck som man kan ha året runt eller?
Nej, jag skulle byta, om du ska köra på snö och is så skulle jag byta till dubbdäck.
Okej.
Den här den går att fylla upp så där för packning. Och...
Just det. Då tar jag en provsväng då.
Ja, men gör det. Lycka till.
Tack. Ja, jag har köpt den här idag.
Hallå.
Och jag ska pendla med den här istället för bilen i 1 år. Det är min utmaning till mig själv.
Lycka till.
Tack så mycket.
Det var modigt. Imponerande.
32, 33, 34. Den är bra. Var att den är utan tak?
Ja, det finns ett tak också. Tror du att vi kommer kunna åka till skolan med den här?
Ja.
Jag vill ha på mackan. It's day 1 of the bicycle challenge. It's a stressful morning. And it's cold outside. I just arrived at the office after biking here for the first time. It feels good. It was a nice de-stressing way to start the day. Right. My feet are wet, my socks are wet. So I've learned that you need to keep some extra dry stuff, socks and maybe a spare hat and some spare gloves for the return trip.
Falla på kalla vägar och ge rejält halt väglag som följd. Vi har varning för plötslig ishalka utfärdad för Gävleborg och stora delar av Svealand. Utsikten är vara vindig. Götalands fastland utbudet med regn eller lösningar.
For the first 3 weeks, my body was really tired at the end of each day. I guess it was my body using different kinds of muscles or something, and which really helped me falling asleep a little bit easier. My body has now gotten used to the bike ride. Actually, it's become like my body really wants it. And I also started listening to podcasts. So it takes half an hour to bike one way, so that's a nice chunk of a podcast.
Hejdå.
It's just a really nice routine. And I'm already thinking about maybe getting rid of the car.
frågor.
Tack så mycket. Tack mycket. Ja, men kanon. Då ses vi.
Lycka till.
Tack så mycket.
Hoppas den ska ge dig mycket glädje. Oj då.
Ja,
Hej, hej.
ha det bra.
Ja,
Hej då.
hej.
Hej.
To make choices for the environment is often framed as making sacrifices. And that's totally how I thought of this project in the beginning. As this pain in the ass thing that I was willing to try to diminish my environmental guilt. My commute now takes 3 times as long. And I wouldn't trade it for anything. I get to start the day with replacing all the air in my system. I get to use my body. Not like some heavy workout, thank you very much, battery, but still. Maybe the willingness to slow down, to be less effective, not more, is one of the keys to enjoying life more. And, as a beautiful side effect, there's now a little bit less carbon dioxide in the air.